Good morning, guys. I hope everyone is doing great and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today is the day again we restart our workout. So, yesterday was my rest day. I felt so guilty about not doing the workout actually, but today again we restart the workout after one day rest and we start with the same workouts but with higher reps. So, it's going to be interesting. Let's see how it goes and we'll meet after the workout. Let's go. Hello guys, finally I'm back and I'm back with a bad news basically. So few days back this happened. My mic got separated from its holder and now it's completely off. It's not that important because I don't use this mic anymore because my 5D has some problems. I use it only for photos or something, and if I have to record any short videos or any b-roll, so I used to record on that. But still I have to fix it because I've got a solution. That is, my friend now has the Sony camera and I have the 5D, so I decided to swap the cameras. Basically, I use the camera only for vlogging, so I have decided to choose the Sony over the Canon. So I'll just give back the Canon 5D to my friend Akshay and I'll just get the Sony back. But first I'll need the mic anyhow because for vlogging you need this. Rode has become an ambassador of all the vloggers. So let's just fix it. Quickly. So what I've got here is Fevikwik. So this is not any brand investment I'm doing. I know I don't have too many viewers on this channel, but still. So yeah, just open this and put some here. Okay, not on the floor. And I'll do one more thing. I'll just put some on this too. This new packing is really great because in the earlier ones it used to be a little bit longer, and when you just twist that open it used to fall off, and sometimes it used to get on your hands. So that was like a complete no-no if you know what Fevikwik is. Okay, so another bad news is this is not getting stuck. I'm just holding it for some time and I hope this gets stuck, like literally. Oh, and yes it did. Yes it did. Yes it did. It did get stuck. So what we'll do is we'll just keep this to dry and then we'll see how this works. I can just keep it on the floor. After the recording is done, I'm just going to turn on the fan and then I hope this will dry off in an hour or two. So good job Fevikwik. Okay, let's close this. Okay, I've got a cap to close this off. Really great. Nice thing. So yesterday I decided to take the bike out and I didn't record unfortunately because I decided to take it for a short ride. One of the main reasons was that I did not took the bike out for a long time. I think it was more than a week that I didn't start it. So I decided to take it out, and believe me, it was a horrible mess because there was so much of traffic and I didn't enjoy it at all. And I'm feeling very fortunate that I didn't record that video because all you would be hearing was like all curses and bad words from me. So that was another part of story. And talking about my fitness, I've decided to have like a section of my vlog dedicated towards fitness because I think that clip or that video keeps me motivated, as well as any number of viewers who are watching. I think at least even 1% of them are motivated, then it's like really great, because I think in this testing times fitness is one key important aspect that we need to follow. It's not important what kind of exercise or what kind of workout you're doing. It's just that you need to have movement to your body. You have to sweat it out, and You just need to basically burn those calories, so that so at least you have some like exercise done, and you're not just getting fatter and not becoming lazy. You're, and honestly, I think this is like a time where you get to decide like what's right for you. There are, in every situation, there are basically two options from which you can choose. One is like the right side and the other one is the wrong side. So the right thing maybe is choosing fitness over laziness. Obviously there are some aspects like it's great to be lazy at home, because everyone is at home and everyone loves watching Netflix, Amazon, etc, etc. But still, if you are like if you dedicate just half an hour or 1 hour of your time, of your day's time, of your 24 hours to fitness, then that's really great. And I'm really proud like seeing many people getting out there, who are running, who are cycling, who are jogging, who are doing yoga on playgrounds, maintaining social distances. I have a playground right below my building, so even there I see many people taking walks or even playing some sport, or even like jogging or doing yoga on the playground. So that's really great to see, and that is another motivating factor for me, for even me, like to just be like really fit. Also, talking about these testing times, which is the COVID-19 time, we have some great news coming in today. That is, India has developed a vaccine. It's called Covaxin, and today is the day when today, which is Monday, and you'll be seeing this vlog on a Tuesday. So today is, I think, I forgot the date. Let me just check. Okay, so today is 20th July, and 20th July, it's going to be the first day that they're going to start the trials, and the trials are going to be at AIIMS in Delhi. So let's just hope that it really works out. It really works out for everyone. And this Covaxin is, it's not just, it's not for any race or something. It's just so that people get better who are like corona positive. So I hope it really works. I hope it really works really well, and all the people who are there who have tested positive gets treated by that vaccine. So let's just hope that. So I just want to say here that the weather is really looking nice. It has not rained, and the temperature is high basically, but also humid. But I think it's pleasant, and I think I should go for a walk, or even I should take my cycle out, because I just repaired the cycle right now. So let's see. First we'll have tea, and then we have decided to go down. So let's have tea. So finally I'm planning to take the cycle out. Let's take it out. Finally, it feels so great cycling. Just amazing. So after a fun session of cycling, I'm finally back home. I've taken a shower and I'm feeling completely fresh. Now it's time to have some food, and I think let's end this vlog here right now. So thank you guys for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Please do share it with your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.